in for the day.
All right, everybody, just like and subscribe. Come and welcome to my channel. I'm here on the Redneck Trading Show. Yeah, oh yeah. From the single wide to the double wide, back again. Oh yes.
Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're back Tuesday the 14th. Excited to trade here today with you guys. The voices you're going to hear, the redneck sounding voice, everything, that's the Legacy Wealth Society. It's okay. I'm not talking to myself. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna make some money and we're gonna have some fun. That's what this is about. So, with that being said, stay safe in the markets. Real quick market analysis for you guys as well. We're currently below the VWAP, below the close, below the 21 EMA, below the close from yesterday, which is all the way up at 24,904.
Oh wow.
And we're currently below this pivot point at 24,642. So with that being said, let's stay safe in the markets today. The market had a big push down last night, so we're going to have to watch that today just to see what we actually get. So with that being said, let me get to the Legacy Wealth Society. Is everyone excited to trade? Because I'm excited today.
You look excited. Yeah, I can see. Welcome to the Noble Zone.
I don't know if it's because I'm excited because like I'm one more day closer to Mexico. Like I don't know what's going on. Like
no, I'm just. You better be one more step closer to the sombrero, sucker.
Oh, I like the. I want the.
Oh man, oh man.
Not wrong.
It's kind of crazy because yesterday I was like, I feel like we got pushed back down to the 600s during yesterday's session. You know what I'm saying? Like,
that's heavy, dude.
That is heavy. And we just had another bear flag just print.
Oh yeah, we're pushing down. Down. Order field.
All right.
Order field.
Be right back. Be right back.
Duane's going in another room to trade because he doesn't want to hear. Order field.
Order field. Not gonna lie, man. The market look like it's gonna go like on a big bear, like it's gonna go down to the 500.
Yes, sir.
I gotta buy another part for one of my cars.
And I heard Power speaking today
at what time?
Probably I think 10.
Okay.
Whoa, can we confirm that? Because that's going to be a hell of a thing.
Yeah, once I'm done paying this real quick, then I'll definitely.
What kind of part do you need for your car? It was a patrol car part?
Yeah, it's for one of my patrol cars. It's for one of our Explorer interceptors.
Yeah.
And we just put a new, what's it called? Man, I'll have to look at the part. It's for the steering wheel that they just changed a part on, but now like the buttons on the steering wheel aren't working. Okay, so it's another part to get the buttons working.
Hey, Power speaks at 12:20 today.
Okay. I may hang out till then because that should be pretty. We should get some type of movement, but we'll see how we do. If there's really no movement during the session, maybe I'll stay on for that time.
If it's dogs, then we'll just do a separate section. You, me, David, and G will all pop on and rip it up at 12.
That works.
5 more minutes.
That's what I'm trying to rush, so I'm ready.
He's already got all his doodles out. I can't even believe it.
You know? Trying here.
Hey, G. G, are you there? He's out dancing.
All right. Payment successful. Woo, I was sweating there. We'll take it.
Hey, on the top of my screen, there's always a thing that says like leave and it's like grayed out. Is there a way I can make that disappear? Because it like cuts right through your face.
It says leave?
Yeah, it's like the button, like if I wanted to leave the meeting. Is that just like a weird setting just on mine?
Does anyone else have that on your stuff? Because I don't know what y'all's side looks like, to be real. Okay.
I'll take a picture. It's a minor quirk. It's just kind of like
annoying to look at, yeah.
Well, just like I'm gonna send it to you, Duane. I want to take this opportunity to thank you very much, Duane, because it takes a special person to get this deep into something and not have like an agenda. And your only agenda is to go to Mexico and eat tomahawk. So we're not interrupting that.
No, I will miss you guys on Friday.
Yeah, he'll be like.
I will miss you guys on Friday. I'm debating because I'm not trying to pack as heavy since it's literally just Thursday to like Sunday night. We'll be in Mexico.
And it's just you and your wife, so it's like it makes it so much easier if you're not packing for the kids. Can I?
Nope, my son's going too.
Oh,
my youngest.
Well. Okay, well, you like that makes it exponential because like
we were debating if we were going to check bags or not because we fly with JetBlue. And it's one of those things where we get like 2 check bags each. So we're like, do we want to check bags or do we just want to take a carry-ons?
If I can, I always like.
So you going through the new terminal, Terminal C? I know you love that terminal.
Yeah, that's my favorite terminal.
That's yep.
Well, once you fly out, that's the only terminal I fly out of.
Well, listen, Mr. Rolls Royce, I sent you the.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Okay. I don't think you could get that removed, but I could possibly I can switch where I'm at.
Hey, G.
Hey.
I sent you something like on your Facebook Messenger. I like animated like the bear and the bull, so it's there.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, well, show some respect, sucker. I'm just kidding.
Good morning, Moose.
Good morning.
Market's going to be opening soon here.
Yep. 1 more
36
minute.
seconds to paradise.
We got this pivot point. We had the big drop down for the overnight session. So just be careful. That's all I can say right now. Recommend. Be careful. Be patient.
And you said Powell was 1220, right? I'm going to set an alarm.
Oh, there we go.
Market's open. Market is open.
Oh, it's going down. that pullback.
Let's see what we get. Because with how it dropped for that overnight session, we'll see. We'll see. We came down where I thought we would be yesterday, so it took an extra day. But we're down here now, so I want to see how we react down here. Good morning to the people on YouTube. Welcome to the stream.
That 600, man, going up and down.
That whole number.
Yep.
So are you gonna start engaging your doodles on the 2-minute, Duane? I can see your trigger finger itching.
No, my trigger finger is not itchy right now.
Oh, I saw it.
It's not itchy yet. It's not itchy yet.
It's how quickly I changed. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, gentlemen, and then the next thing, order filled.
Because I'm currently working on another payout for next Tuesday on all my accounts. So not play it safe, but going to limit the risk level to get me a Tuesday of next week.
Apex will say, I'm sorry, but you didn't have a sombrero on. We're going to have to deny that.
I'm going to be like, you had a sombrero rule? What is this? I'm only trading one funded account with Apex. Everything else now is with Tradeify. So stick to.
Here, let's mention to our friends on YouTube that we have a special code for anybody that wants to get the best rate on Tradeify.
Yes, sir. If you want to pick up evals or funded accounts with Tradeify, use the code LWS. That will get you the best discounts with Tradeify that they have to offer. All right. That bear flag playing out right there.
Or like Duane likes to say, bear with me.
Bear with me. Bear with me, everyone. Bear with me. Man, are we coming back down to... man. With us falling like this, yeah, it's very easy to get very bearish. Very easy. That's what when it's super easy, that's when you gotta really lock in.
Look, I'm barely hanging on here.
I'm barely hanging on. So the overnight low is at the 502. 502 for the overnight low. That seems like we're coming down to. I just don't like these quick little pop-ups.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to time it to take a quick scalp.
As soon as you said that, it was like a quick pop up.
Yep, that's why I'm like,
Like it's kind of like trying to find an, you know, it's sometimes it's so nice to get that support of a flag. So
how I just scratched. That's crazy. That's crazy.
try
What
Terminex if you itch or scratch.
What happened?
No, I jumped in as soon as I closed it in the green. It put me back at 0.
Oh. So maybe you scratch.
Coming down to this overnight low.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna test. Look at that.
All right, 390 on that trade. Done with that account. Let me rotate to the next. Where's my notepad here? So I know which accounts to be traded.
Hey, Duane, how many accounts can you have with Tradeify at the same time?
You can have 5 funded accounts.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm on my third one.
Oh, you
But-
have 3 of them? Active?
No. I'm on, no. One active. Two not active.
Oh, okay.
But you can have 5 active funded accounts.
Yeah, but you could do like Duane does, and you can have the other ones ready to go. So if you blow up on it, you just plug the other one in.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a bad idea, to be honest.
I said it, sucker.
All right, we got a pivot point all the way. Our next pivot point is all the way down at
470, right?
380.
Oh, shit. Really?
Yeah. We're gonna have a big old, not a big old range, but a good size range. If we keep dropping down here,
No,
if we
relax,
get down to
you
the
like it.
40s, we'll have a 200-point, 15-minute range here.
Well, remember, like last week, there was like the 40-point range on that one day. It was like,
Oh yeah, that one was really
Would
tight.
Would that be in that 200-point, 50-minute range? Is that good or bad?
It just gives us a lot of room, I'll say.
Right. Yeah, I'm looking at that. I'm looking at that 50-minute candle on it, man. Shit. Almost 200. Right.
Yeah, I'm expecting right now, I want to build out a flag. Even if it takes all the way till the 945 at this point, I'm good with that.
Right.
Because I want to trade my Tradeify accounts, which I only trade after 945. So it's looks like it's building that bear flag right there, potentially. The bear's got to step in and start bringing it back down here. That was a very aggressive right there.
Ooh, very aggressive bear flag. Looking like gonna go to the 400.
Consolidating right here.
Gonna go to the 400.
that was a huge push up. That was insane.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got 4 minutes left to the 9:45.
Where are the ladies at?
Oh,
That are on YouTube.
me.
What did he do, Moose?
I fucking lost $200. It went. I went. It was at 200. I went to press it, and it fucking closed me at 200. But I was up 120.
Oh, that's annoying.
See, it's still going down. You mother. Sorry.
The life of a trader. The life of a trader.
As soon as you get out, that's what it wants to do. What it wants to do.
Yo.
Like yesterday, I was up to like 300 and it closed me at like $5.50. I was like, okay, that's nice. Remember that? That was
Yeah.
great.
I'm so mad right now.
No reason to be mad. You have another opportunity. Wait
Yo,
for the
I
next
love my
opportunity here.
Well, listen, the market always repeats itself.
One more minute. One more minute.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened? What happened?
Oh. That could have been. I was moving my.
You
I-
pressed trade accidentally.
Thankfully, it clicked the right. It clicked the right button. I made 810. Hey, I'm not complaining, but that was 810.
Oh,
That was like gambling right there. Gee whiz.
I was just trying to move my mouse out the way. Yeah, I even froze. Like I looked and I'm like, what just happened? And oh my goodness gracious.
I'm so hardcore, I don't use a mouse. I use a rat.
Yeah, I'm not that hardcore, Steve. You can use the rats. I'll keep using the mouse. Well, gentlemen, that was unexpected. That's one of those rare opportunities where it actually works in your favor.
You let Jesus take the wheel on that one.
Unintentionally.
Oh, what's going down? Oh. What?
I already told him, babe.
Do you see why I'm so mad? Because it went down.
If you look at that bear flag I put right there, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know who said, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Jeez Louise.
just saying. Just saying. Everything's coming down. Nasdaq's coming down. Nvidia's down for the day. Let's wait for our opportunities. Starting to speed up right here. With this, look at this consolidation. Moose, my girl wanted me. I already told you happy birthday, but my girl wants you to know happy birthday as well.
Thank you.
Wait, Moose.
She texted me. She's like, if he's on the stream, tell him happy birthday.
Hey, Moose, I sent him a postcard saying the same thing.
Oh, that's crazy. You know, my birthday was yesterday.
Your birthday?
Happy belated.
Wait,
Yeah,
Moose,
man. Happy birthday. Sorry about that.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
boy, a bunch of Libras in the
Thank you,
building,
thank you.
man.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Bunch of Libras
Yeah,
in the building, man.
That's hardcore, man, because mine was a third.
Hey, Duane,
Yeah.
I got a funded account, right?
Yeah.
I have a funded account. So now this is not the test one. This is the funded, right?
Okay.
So at the end, like I just lost, let's say, like I told you, I lost the $200, right?
Yeah.
When does it count against me throughout the day, or does it count to me only my total as a total at the end of the day? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, you had the regular account.
Yeah, the regular account. So let's say I lost
Let me
the
pull it
200,
up.
and I'm up, let's say 500 now. So the difference would be 300. Will it show like I only lost, like I only gained 300, or will it show that I still lost the 200 and it'll count?
No, it'll show that you gained the 300. on the account, but you were already in the red, so it has to clean that up. So it'll just show the 300 profit. Because on that account, your trailing max drawdowns to $2,000. Drawdown mode is intraday.
But the next day, my drawdown will be only 1,800, not $2,000 still, right?
Yeah. Well, technically, you still have the $2,000 to lose. It's just no longer going in like the negative, if that makes sense. So as you keep building your account up to that $3,000 buffer, right? Yeah. You can only lose $2,000 until you hit your buffer, if that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, because so the reason I ask is because in the test one, whatever it's called, right?
Yeah, the eval.
The eval, right? When you lose, whatever you lose, no matter how much you gain, right? Whatever you lose, it counts against you for the next day.
It doesn't count against you per se, but if you're in the red, like say,
it happened to me twice already.
Yeah, but if you're in the red, like the $200, and you don't trade anymore, you're just red negative 200. Off that 2,000, you only have 1,800 left that you can lose.
No. So check it out, right? What happened to me, and like I told you, it happened to me twice. I lost, let's say 400, right? I had closed out on a position, right? And then I had gained. I was in a positive as an overall day, right? I was in the positive.
Mm-hmm.
The next day, I was only able to lose 1,600.
That's because, so with that being said, since the advanced account, it's intraday, so your trailing drawdown is following you. So it's based off the highest price. So say you're in a trade and it goes up $1,000, and then it pulls back and puts you at zero on that 1,000, and you never closed out. You just lost $1,000 of your drawdown because it's trailing you.
Yeah, it's trailing your. That happened to me because I was up to 1,200, and then like I got down and it closed me out because it was trailing at 1,200.
Yeah,
because
that's what I'm saying.
It went all the way to the 1,000. That's why I'm a big component. I always preach just taking your profits, because say you were up at the 1,000 and it came all the way back down. Now you just lost $1,000 of your buffer.
No, but what I'm saying, I don't know. Maybe I'm not understanding it still. But I close out on a position, right?
Yeah.
I lost 400.
Okay.
So I'm down. My gap is only 1,600.
Yeah.
Right. Then I jumped into another position. I gained. I had made money. Whatever. Let's just say it was 600. I don't know.
Yeah.
So my difference on the profit for the day was $200.
Yeah.
You get me? The next day when I went to trade, my gap was still at 1,600. It wasn't back to 2,000.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I was positive for the whole day, but I was still lost to 1,600. I mean the 400, so it still left me only at 1,600 to lose.
No, I get that, but what I'm saying is, even when you close, right, you have to monitor how much you're letting it pull back on you. Like, if you're like trying to push for more, right, without closing, you're like, okay, this is going to keep running. Let me just keep this trade open. And it goes up a couple $100 more and then pulls back down to that $400. You actually lost money on the trade because it went up to $800, pulled back to $400. You closed
I made profit though. What I'm saying is I made profit.
No, I get that. You made profit, yes.
Yeah, but the highest point is where you're adding.
That's where they're calculating from. The highest point of your trade that you were in that you could have closed out on. That's why I just take profits, and I don't even have to worry about trying to think of the math, everything like that on that.
Okay, so right now, let's say I'm down $200.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, right when this closes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Am I gonna, if I'm up right now? Let's say I'm positive right now, right? I'm up like $300. If I'm up tomorrow, am I gonna show a profit, or I'm still gonna have or is it still gonna show me that my lose?
It'll show the profit as long as you didn't let the price go high and then pull back on you, and you just close at the 300.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I made a profit of I'm up $300.
Yeah, so it'll show profit on your account.
My loose gap or whatever it's called, right? My drawdown, right?
Yeah.
Is it still gonna be at 2,000 or is it gonna be at 1,800?
I'll still be at the $2,000. You can't go below 50K. So until you get a, well, now you maybe I'm confusing myself now, because you have to get 53,000 now with a $2,000 drawdown. So you have till 48,000, and then your account's done. But as you add, so you added $300, so now it'll be like
48,300.
Yeah, for the lowest point it can go currently, and it keeps going up as you continue to add to your account.
Okay.
Safest thing, just take profits when you see them, so that way you don't even have to worry about the drawdown rules, everything like that. Being real.
I got a question, Duane.
Yes, sir.
So let's say if I'm using TradingView, right?
Yep.
How can I make sure like it's actually following the price, the actual price of the market at that time? Because sometimes when I was using it, it kept like it would be like maybe a couple of seconds behind when we was trading.
Okay. The only thing you could do with that, if you're trying to trade with TradingView, because TradingView is not platform that they pay for, you would just have to pay for the subscription on TradingView, so you have the live data feed, because that's what Moose does. Moose trades on the TradingView as well. So in order to have the live data feed without like the delayed, you have to pay, I don't remember the price on that. You have to pay separately for that, and then add your accounts to TradingView so you can trade on it.
Well, wait, if TradingView is like delayed, you could go on the live thing and then jump over there and kill every trade.
Oh, you know
It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, I thought it would be like that. Nah, it's not like that.
Wait, I heard you change your name to Big Daddy Buck. So what's that about?
You know what's crazy? It's crazy. That was the first idea I thought. I was like, yeah, I'm up. I'm there. Nah, it ain't gonna work like that.
But no, I'll just tell you what I do. It's this thing called Nas, the Nas 100. It matches the same. It matches the same. What's on Ninja Trader? That's what I be using.
Okay. You talking about the tick, right?
The what?
That's it. Talking about that the tick, right?
Yeah, on the TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we just pushed through that 21 EMA.
I'm gonna get that.
We're through the middle.
Keep going, baby.
We're through the middle of that 15-minute range as well.
Don't diddle in the middle.
Don't diddle in the middle, like the community just said for the people on YouTube. Don't diddle in the middle. Right now, we're just waiting. Currently already up over like $1,200. I can't say I did that all by myself because I accidentally clicked a button and made $800. So, with that being said, complete transparency for you guys.
There are worse accidents to have, I'll tell you that.
Oh, 100%. And when I saw it go in my favor, that's why I didn't react right away of closing it. But I moved my mouse off my section where I could take my trades on just to play it safe. So I'm not touching buttons by accident, because that was kind of scary. There's a
lot of like spasmodic kind of action today.
Well, we came all the way down to that 421 level. I expect some type of this push up that we currently have. Since the market does move like in a wave, we got to go up before it keeps going down. So Just
So you
sit.
got the pivot point at 642, and then the I got my VWAP is at 653. So if it goes any further, I might start catching those.
I have the VWAP on mine. 651 for my VWAP current. Well, 652 ish.
Okay, fine.
652, 651, same area.
652.07.
But we have a pivot point below that VWAP currently. So got a couple things to get through to get to that VWAP.
Where is the pivot point below the oh yeah, the pivot point, yes.
Yep, that pivot is at 642.
I called that one out. I thought you had another one, and I realized you were just like copying me. But that's kind of an honor.
Yeah, I was copying you, Steve. What can I say?
You know, that's like a high honor for the great Duane to actually quote my words.
Since we're below this VWAP, first flags we're looking for are those bear flags. But if we see a bull flag, we'll definitely take it as well. We do not discriminate against flags.
No discriminations.
Don't worry about me just drawing on the chart. That's me staying out of the trades because want to see this potentially roll over.
It's pretty much over the middle of 15 minutes.
We are above the middle of the 15-minute range.
Yep. Looks like it wants to make its way up.
The middle's at 531 of the 15-minute range, just so you guys know.
Look like it wants to go back in the middle.
Go to the middle.
But we don't diddle in the middle.
Remember, we're coming up on that 10 o'clock time frame as well. 10 o'clock time frame. Be careful. We know the market moves at those whole time frames. Coming back down. All right. Just push through that 21 EMA. We're hanging out right on this 21 now. Is this the roll that I was waiting for here? Because we came down, up, maybe come back down, test these lows again potentially. But we gotta get through this 21 EMA. This 21's holding us up right now.
Yeah, it definitely is, huh?
Less than a minute, about a minute now for 10 o'clock. So I'm staying flat till after we get past that 10 o'clock time frame. Yep, that 21's definitely holding us up here, acting as support. Let's see what we got here. Are we getting ready to start building out a bull flag?
Let's see.
Put my doodles on.
We're gonna doodle in the noodle.
for me personally, we're in this area where I'm like, do I even take any trades?
I'm ready for it. Listen, Duane, this is a deal. I got patience because he told me about that concept. I want to see it break out. Then we're going to clean up.
I was thinking the same thing, waiting for that 15-minute range breakout at this point. Since we're literally sitting in this 15-minute range, I don't want to trade this range unless we have really good momentum.
I would say wait for the momentum.
Yes, sir.
Momentum's key. Momentum is key.
Momentum is key. So I mean, you started getting above that 15-minute range. So once it
Seller's trying to step in right there. But to go short, I want to get below that 21 and below that middle of the 15-minute range. With momentum. I just want to see some solid momentum here, only because that's the only way to be safe. Only way to be safe.
right.
And like I said, I'm trying to go Mexico in the green. You know, like that's just
And the verde. Verde. Remember, you say everything in Spanish.
verde, verde. Update. Sync it. Any plans for you guys for the rest of this week, or is everyone just
I have
in
one
their
plan.
routines
I
this
have
week?
a single plan, and that's to wait for you to get a sombrero and behold it.
Oh, I will say, I actually last night bought DJI Action Pro 5 Pro camera to take with me to Mexico. So gonna get some good content while out there. Bought it off Amazon last night.
And Moose is gonna line you up so you don't look like a scary dude.
Yeah, he's coming tomorrow. He's coming tomorrow.
Yep. I'll go after the session too.
Okay. You know where I'll be, so we're good.
Don't be late, all right?
I'll try not to be.
Don't be late, all right?
Just for that, Moose, I'm gonna start taking tabs and like keeping record of how often you're late.
You know that's good perspective, right?
You know, three tardies. You know, I'm calling Joel.
You know it's all perspective because my clock can be different.
I don't want to hear that. You're a businessman. I don't want to hear that. My clock's different.
This is like the doctor's office. He tells you come at 9, but there's 42 other people at 9.
All right, so that bull flag's starting to break right there, so that's a positive sign. When we do get up to this high of this 15-minute range, we got a lot up there. The high of the 15, the pivot point, and the VWAP. So it's going to be a lot of stuff in a small area. Momentum starting to show. It's moving in the upward direction. It's tempting, but let's see if we build another flag, because That's going to be the money one. We do have some selling pressure right here. I want to see the bulls have some solid momentum here. I'll probably take a quick long. As long as there's follow through.
We gotta get moving, huh, Duane?
Yep. You know, I put that line on the chart now. It doesn't want to go past it. Like, maybe I need to stop putting lines. Maybe that'll help us.
Hey, Duane, your cousin did his thing.
Oh, in that fight?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he did his thing. I ain't gonna lie, he was working him.
That he was. It was funny too because that night I was like scrolling on TikTok and someone was talking about his fight. I didn't even know he was fighting that night. I'm like, wait, how's my cousin crazy? So I just got it on YouTube and watched the stream of it. And my brother, he was actually there for the fight. And I told my brother, how do you go to the fight and not tell me? I would have gone with you. Like, that's crazy. He's like, oh, it was a last minute thing, you know, like I decided like late. I'm like, bro, get out of here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you look like a pro. The other guy kept trying to, hold on and get his energy back. But I'm like, he working him. Boom, boom, boom.
Yep. Yeah.
That was good though.
No, he's quick too. That's what helps my cousin. He's fast. Like, he has a lot of speed, so he can hit you quick. Yeah.
All
right, we did not get that follow through. Let's see if we're building out flag on this 5 minute potentially. All right. Glad we didn't go long because we didn't have the momentum to go long.
I drew a line and it's acting as resistance to it, so you're welcome.
Appreciate that, Steve. Good looking out.
Anytime.
We're consolidating in this area right here, so waiting for the move. Is this going to be the push? Was this just all structure here for this bull flag? Patiently waiting here. sellers are trying to hold this price down. They're trying. We do have that 21 below us. So maybe we'll retest that 21 potentially and bounce off of it.
Order filled.
No, no order filled yet.
Order filled. Ooh. I like the last swallow of coffee, and it had like all of the cayenne pepper in it, like it was on the bottom. It was like doing a shot of whiskey. Actually, I prefer whiskey, but not when I'm trading. But
Yeah, that's when you'll hear a lot of order fills. You know,
Come
if you're on the whiskey. All right. I'm looking at this.
he's looking.
I'm looking. Did we just do a small bear flag? Because the bulls don't seem to have enough momentum to get that price up.
Yeah, it's, you know, I drew the top and the bottom to the flag, kind of a little different than yours because it started at that second green candle and it's still just running that channel.
Yeah. But we got these wicks on top of these candles for selling pressure.
Yeah, and then the latest 2 minutes got the wick on the bottom. It's interesting.
Let's clear some of these wicks up here.
Whoa.
Hello.
You said it, and it was so. Say something else.
Rocket ship. Rocket ship.
La plane, la plane.
Seller stepped in hard right there.
Marching up to the top of that 15-minute range. If we can get some movement, come on.
Yep.
On your magic chart, what is the top of the 15-minute range? Because I drew the box, but it's, you know.
The top of
40.
that 15 is at 641.25.
Okay, yeah, because, you know, I just have the whole numbers at this point on that chart, so.
Yeah. Looking for an A++ setup right now. Consolidating some more right here.
Are we looking?
We're looking. We're looking. We're waiting right now.
Because we're looking. We're looking.
Yeah, we're waiting. We're consolidating right now.
I know, man. That's the part I hate, but
It's part of the process. It gives you a chance.
wait for that move.
Yep.
If it was moving all the time, then we'd be done, and we enjoy each other's company too much, so we have to sit for a while. Boy, that was quiet. That sucks.
All right, is this going to be the move from the consolidation? Are the Bears getting ready to waterfall this bad boy? Or is this another?
Yeah, it looks like it's kind of hitting right at 18. You know, it's kind of at the top of the close of those candles, and then this one. So hitting a lot of resistance.
Yeah, and we're just creeping closer and closer.
I think I smell a bull flag on that 2 minute.
It smells like beef.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Whoa.
see, I don't like that type of movement right there.
See, and it's gonna do a little dip, retest, and shoot right back up.
Do it, baby. Do it. You're doing great.
More consolidation. We're definitely going to pop out of this 15. I know that.
For sure.
We got the 15. You have that pivot point. You got
And the VWAP. Yeah. So I'm gonna hold till we can clear those.
Sorry, guys. I'm waiting for my birthday dinner. Breakfast. So I'm quiet.
Oh, you're good.
Birthday dinner, boy. He's like doing penance right now. In 6 hours, I'm gonna eat.
No. I meant breakfast. Sorry. Someone ordered me breakfast.
Nice.
I'm like glancing at the TV, but also, at the screen, but looking outside because they never find my address for some reason.
Oh yeah.
I swear. And mind you, I'm right in the main road. And they always go to the guy next door in the back.
That's horrible.
Around here, there's like one guy that I met. He's really cool, and he gets I always get his packages, but he never gets mine. So, and it's just weird. It's like I don't know why it always comes to my house, but it's like I gotten to know him. Like, hey man, I got another one of your packages. The best is like a house I used to live in. I ordered septic service because it was like the septic thing needed to be pumped, and they never showed up. And I called them and I said, "We're done." I'm like, "No, you weren't. I was here the whole day." They went to the wrong house, and they just pumped out their septic tank.
That's crazy. You would think they would verify that at the right house before starting the service.
Your mouth to God's ear, but I'm like, my septic tank still needs to be pumped, so it's like, okay. And it was like nobody was at the house, and they went and they dug it up and they pumped it. Like, Merry Christmas. I mean, that's not, sometimes like you go over and you like cook a meal for somebody, but if you're like pumping a septic tank, I would make absolutely sure I'm doing the right one.
Oh, 100%.
It's not like it's pleasurable work. Like, oh, I'll just like.
Yeah, that's crazy.
They pay whoever do that job. They pay them.
No, they not necessarily.
They didn't pay him because the person wasn't home, and then they came and they had to do mine. So I don't know how they.
No, I said in general, them septic tank owners, boy, they get bread.
Oh
yeah, but that's a shitty job to do.
Yeah,
well,
but it pays.
Picking up shit. I'll make $1 million doing that.
It's recession proof, is what they say, because people are always going to need to have that done.
Yes.
Yep, everyone's always shitting.
My goodness. Well, you and your carnivore diet, you single-handedly pay for a lot of stuff.
All right, there's that pop out of that 15-minute range right there. Alrighty.
We're gonna go back and retest it.
That's what I'm expecting. But that was a very aggressive pop out.
Yeah, it was. That's why I'm asking, because it just had the velocity. Well, I guess it needed to have that to go past the pivot point and the VWAP.
Yep, we're starting to come back down slightly. There's the VWAP tap. I think we're just gonna go today. I don't think we're coming back down. 751 would be the first target. 751.
What if it wants to make its way back down past the VWAP?
Well, we normally always pull back down into the 15 when we pop out. But since we got so much below us, that VWAP, the pivot point,
Yeah,
we
that
just
might act as support.
yeah, we just bounced off the VWAP when we tried coming back down. So let's see, maybe we pull back before we start ripping. Some consolidation right here. The Bears want to come back down here. Let's see if we tap that VWAP and pivot point.
Like you said, there's like a lot. So
Yeah.
we gotta like do something clear, because otherwise it's just the Wild West.
Yeah, I think we're just going to be pushing. I don't think we're coming back down today.
Gonna be testing that whole number in a minute.
That's 700, right?
Yep.
That's where we want to stay away from.
Yeah, that was so weird. I'm not feeling this. I jumped into a trade. It didn't show on my chart whatsoever. It lagged for like, yeah, done trading that account, 260 in it. Like, but I did jump in. Like, I pushed the button, but it didn't even show on my chart.
That's weird.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm rotating. I'll do like one of my growth evals or something. Like, I'm not risking it. Not risking it.
Risking it for the biscuit.
That 700 level. Let's wait for the next move since we're at that whole number. I'm thankful that I was able to get in and out of the market unscathed today because had a lot of weird stuff
We're
today.
green, man. We're all green. we're like the victors.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
Am I where I want to be? No, but I am green.
Hey, that green is all that matters at the end of the day. Let's see. Let's see if I can pass this growth eval today.
Oh, let's go.
Because I'm thankful because I actually brought this back from the depths and the bowels of drawdown. I had like $200 left to drawdown on this from last Friday. I put into it just yesterday, almost like I cleaned it completely out. I'm in profit, $19 on this account currently. So we'll take it. We will take it. Let's see if we get the follow through here. We're consolidating. And as soon as I jumped in, it started consolidating, which is
good like that. That's why you got to use my true and tried and true method of doodling.
Hey, it works. The doodles work. I want to see the rocket ship. I want that 751 level.
That's crazy because when you said that before, it was like, okay, like it was a thought, but now it's like it's winning.
Actual reality.
Yeah.
Actual reality. So Duane knows what he's talking about.
Look, and G
I
knows
try to know. I try.
G knows what he's talking about.
I'm trying to, man. Well, you in the money now, Duane.
320 right there. We're going to keep it moving. We're going to keep it moving. Targeting that 751 level. 751. But I'll take my profits on the way up to it. Because I want to see better momentum, to be honest with you guys.
I agree.
As Dave would say, I'm not going to lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to lie.
For sure.
But Dave, I just want to let you know from everyone in the community to you, we're glad that you're on the stream today, sir. We missed you.
Man.
Thank you.
Like Steve was talking
really
about you every
consistent.
day.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to be a lot more consistent. It's trying to figure out how to trade while I'm doing
On
what
the-
I'm doing. So
No, I get that. Are you driving like for the overnights or like are you during the day?
I mostly drive during the day.
Okay.
So, so yeah,
Well,
I'm trying to
not
yeah.
not trying to not have you on stream with us, but have you ever thought about trying to trade like the other sessions when you're
Yeah,
not driving?
I thought about trading Asian shares. I've tried it before.
Okay.
It worked. It worked. But you know, I try to stick to what I'm learning. You know what?
Yeah.
Like what so. But I might just probably give it a try and learn how to trade that session.
Okay.
Are we going back to the VWAP?
Feel like it's going back down, headed back down that way. It's about to head back in that 15-minute range spot. Looks like it, but couple point about 40 some points away from it. It's going down.
Yeah, as soon as I re-entered, that's crazy.
Would the 15-minute breakout strategy kind of work during the Asian session?
Yeah. I've never traded the Asian session, to be honest with you. Had a tongue twister there. I don't know why. But the breakout will always work. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
I like it on the morning New York session because it's cleaner for me. And I know it. Like each session has different tendencies. So if you're going to trade like the Asian session or the London session, you have to learn those tendencies that they have. You know what I'm saying? Like, because each session moves differently.
I see a potential bear flag.
Yeah, I see it too. I see it too.
I see it, boy.
I'm just not trying to jump in on the push up before it drops.
Right, before it drops. Right. I'm waiting.
Because that's what always gets me. Whenever I see the flag, I get excited. I'm like, okay, let's go short, and I don't have the momentum behind me. I always end up in the push up portion than the actual drop itself.
13 more seconds on that 2 minute.
Yep. We're below that 700 level, that whole number. We know how the market acts around whole numbers.
Yeah, that's a good call out because that's like something you start getting target fixation, and it's just like that whole number is definitely still there.
Yep. It did not go anywhere.
It got me yesterday actually because I got into a trade and it was there. I was like, oh, there's a high, Mr. Whole Number. But it turned out okay, but I ended up having to hold it longer than I wanted to.
This is that push up currently. If it does too much of a push, it'll invalidate the bear flag.
Well, you just called it out, and I was like, shut up. I'm like, shut.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to the YouTube stream. For the people on YouTube, welcome. Your boy is only up about $1,300 for the day. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. That's my saying. I'm sticking to it. I'm actually going to put that on a shirt, actually. Seller's trying to step in right here. Want to pass one of these evals since I'm already done trading the fundeds. We got that selling pressure. I want to see if it continues here.
Those candles leveled off at 720.
All right, so it's pushing. So we're going to be looking for that 751. Let's see if we get some momentum so I can jump in on this here. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there. Currently waiting for this move. The Legacy Wealth Society, everyone's green. I'm up 1,300 today, so we're just living it, today. You know, hopefully you're staying safe today in the market. We keep getting these wicks of that selling pressure. So that's why I'm not like overly want to jump in on long yet. We got to get that momentum.
That bear still looked like it was that bear flag.
No, there's no bear flag.
I know.
There's no bear flag. Even if you squint really, really hard, there's no bear flag. Like, because sometimes we do that. If I squint and look from this angle right here, it's looking like a bear flag. Don't do that. Don't do that. Trust me, I've done that before. It's not worth it. Oh, that went right against me. I just blew that one. I only had $900 of drawdown on that eval account. And I just blew it that quickly. So, good job, Duane. Pat yourself on the back. Acting like a rookie. Acting like a rookie. But watch it go right back up. I'm just gonna laugh. Dave, just so you know, I know I've already said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. There won't be a stream on Friday, but there will be a stream on Thursday before I go out the country.
Oh, okay. All right.
And we'll be back Monday morning per usual.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just excited. I don't have to take a charging adapter to Mexico. They use the same plugs we do. So when you grow up and you're an adult, you know, you appreciate the little things like that.
Well, you know, I still haven't grown up, so you're the old man in the group.
I feel like the old man in the group, to be honest with you. So it happens. But then I realized Moose is in here. I'm not that old anymore.
Oh yeah, old Moose.
If Steve didn't, I think Moose didn't need.
Yep, Steve is seasoned, you know. Then Moose, he's seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hey man, the Lord renews my strength like the eagle.
there will be a reel in Mexico. I'm gonna be vlogging it because I'm setting up my board of how to structure this video, because I learned from the Portugal video, the Portugal shots that I got, that it needs the structure. I need to tell a story. You know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah,
like,
like I said, you know my background. If you want me to like reach out to you with some ideas, it'll only take like 2 minutes, and I can just throw a bunch of stuff at you.
yeah,
Because,
let's do that tomorrow.
It's
Let's do that tomorrow.
It's always about getting having the most versatile footage that you can cut in 2 or 3 different ways, and the dissertation will still be there, the location will be there, so you can put all kinds of things. So that's what.
Yeah, let's jump on a quick call tomorrow.
Yeah, that's cool. We'll set it up
So that way
tomorrow.
it's fresh in my mind for Thursday.
Yep.
Oh, because I'm laying everything out so that way I can shoot a really nice travel vlog to the best resort in Mexico. So
I would just on your phone, like as you come up with any ideas, you know what I mean, just write them down, like because you want to have 4 or 5 different angles on stuff. Just so when it's in the middle of summer or winter again and it's snowing, you can be like, man, you know what I mean. So you can have like all kinds of great stuff for the users in like Ohio to see how trading could change their life.
Yep. No, I'm excited. I was planning on like Life of a Trader. That was going to be the title, Life of a Trader. Because it's literally I'm going to record while we're on stream on Thursday, like me trading, placing a trade or two, and then putting that in the video. Then, all right, we finished. Now let's get in Mexico, and then do the whole travel scene, get into Mexico, the whole shebang.
So you got it. I mean, and like montage, and then you just shoot your stand-ups and your donuts, and so you can kind of put the stuff in the middle. So as long as you have your core stuff, that's where people like get real good.
Yeah. No, I'm excited. I'm honestly excited because on this one, I'm actually planning what I want to get. That's why I bought the action camera as well, because it's a lot of water activities. And I'm not taking my Osmo in the water. I can't do that. It's not waterproof. So I'm going to have the action cam in the water. It's just going to be a great time. It's going to be a great time. And I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil it for everyone. But I'm planning like the first intro. I'm going to do my intro like in Mexico for the video.
I would hope so. It'll be better.
And it's going to have the drone. It's going to be the drone. This is in my head. We'll see if we get it done. I'm going to have the drone talking. And it's going to fly out. And it's going to show the entire resort, the water. And that's how the video is going to start. Your boy's excited.
That's going to be awesome.
Moose, I told Brenda I need to get with you because like you have connects over there, you know what I'm saying? Like help your boy out.
Yeah, let me know and I'll tell whoever you need.
I was messing with her because I know you're like half, you know what I'm saying? Like
yeah.
That's why I told her. She was laughing. But I am thinking about getting a house out there. Not gonna lie to you guys. It is so cheap out there.
Yes. Mexico is super cheap.
Like I was gonna just ride out there like a narco. You know what I'm saying? Get the armored trucks, the big old villa on the water for like $10 a month. You know what I'm saying? That is one of my plans though. Since I've already made my money for I'm just hanging out with you guys at this point. My plan is eventually to for me and my girl get a house in another country and just have another property that we could go to. Because I think that'd be really cool, especially when we're looking at places where the US dollar is higher than the current rate for that country.
Mr. Forex.
So that way we can get more bang for our buck.
Also, sometimes I heard it's kind of safe to make sure, like you got a connection over there, cause some places they might say it's okay, or they might overcharge you to buy a home. So you just gotta be safe with that.
Well, that's the whole thing. Like, I would purchase it not in my name. We would purchase it through like a corporation, something like that, and have a realtor that is based out there from a realtor we know in the States. You know what I'm saying? So that way,
true.
It's all the connections, all the connects. That's what makes it safe. This market extremely tight right now, extremely tight, but it's trying to get to that 751. It's trying.
It's taking its time. Listen though, we gotta get it's confirmed that Powell's speaking at 12:20.
I'll pull that one up because I didn't even look at that because I won't be trading. I gotta go to the store. I gotta finish preparing.
If Powell's trading at 12:20, you're gonna be on. Come on, you'll be in the changing room with your sombrero, like making the trade.
I'm asking my AI assistant here what time Jerome Powell's speaking, if he is speaking. 12:35 Eastern, he will be speaking.
So it's not Jerome Powell, it's Jethro Powell is who I'm interested in. Oh, off that. On the 1 minute, it touched the EMA.
Yep. Looking at that now. We're looking with that dip like that.
12:30.
Playing out a bear flag here.
Yes. Potential bear flag, yes.
Now you can say a bear flag, sir. Now I know you've been itching. You've been itching like, I need a bear flag.
Wait, as soon as you said it, I looked right at the 2 minute. I said, yes.
What's interesting is the 1 minute has an EMA.
It's gonna drop. It's gonna probably drop in the 600. Wow.
I just want to get below that 700 before taking a short.
700.
On my 2 minute, the EMA currently is down at the 681.
It's 657 on my 2 minute. On my 1 minute, it's 698.
Okay.
Literally, it's like stacking there.
Yeah, I mainly use the 21 only on the 2 minute because I feel like it respects it more. I would say.
Respect to you, my brother. But here's the deal: it's like it's stacking on that line, so it's just like a reference.
Let's see.
Man, I had forgotten how good Chick-fil-A breakfast is.
It does taste pretty tasty sometimes.
No, you're not doing dirty carnivore anymore, Duane.
That I am not. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys some pictures here in a minute.
Oh yeah, you on a carnivore diet, right?
Yes, sir, I am.
How's that going?
It's been going good. I will say.
Dirty carnivore though before. So.
I was being kind of dirty ever since Portugal. I was eating dirty carnivore, I would say.
What about sweets? Like, what's the rules on sweets?
For me personally, I've never been a big sweets person, so I never had that issue. But the ones I normally do is from Sprouts. It's called bare ice cream, and it's made from, it's sweetened with honey. So you're not getting all the extra sugars, everything. It's just honey it's sweetened with. So if I'm like craving like ice cream, stuff like that, that's the one I normally go with.
Okay.
Yo, y'all see that bear flag forming? Y'all see the structure?
I see it. I'm look at something else and look at that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
You see that wick on that candle?
Looking.
Oh.
like, oh boy, I hear. Let me hold on. Let me come back over here. Let me catch it. Come on, give me $1. Give me $1. Dollar, chicken dollar. Oh, you can do it. Waterfall.
Oh yeah. Come on, go down, please. Stop playing with her.
Getting ready to tap that 21 EMA.
Go low. Stop playing with. Ooh.
Hey, tell it, G. Tell it.
Ooh. Hold up.
Oh, it's still going? Oh, man. All right, we went through that 21 EMA.
Oh. Let's go. That's 11.18. Let's go.
I can't let G make all the money a day.
And it's still going down, boy. Let's go.
We got that VWAP below us. Didn't get it. G made all the money. G made all the money on that trade. The market maker said, I can't make any more.
Oh, my goodness.
He's loving it.
Yes, I am. Let's go. On to my next eval. Let's see if I can get some money on that one.
Coming up on that 11 o'clock hour. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there.
Bring us another bear flag. Come on, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Good job, G.
Deserve.
All I know is, like, when I'm in Mexico, your boy's gonna be looking spiffy. Like, I got these suits just from Mexico. You see that blue? Your boy gonna be looking sharp out there.
You're gonna look like the owner.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell people I'm the owner too. See what type of service I get.
You're gonna be on your Mike Lowry.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta do it.
That blue is, I like that blue.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a really nice blue.
I had to. I think I spent more on the alterations than the actual suits, but it was worth it.
Hey G, have you had any payouts yet?
He's working on them. He's working. He'll be there.
He's working. He's lurking.
Listen, that was on the eval. That wasn't on my funded though.
Listen, I blame G for inspiring me to do more than one account. Like, I mean, not one account, one
contract.
This shit moves with the one contract.
The thing is, if you catch it on the right move, trust you'll be thanking me.
You'll be thanking him, he said.
Listen,
you'll be thanking this man.
Let me tell you something. No bullshit. Like, I'm not doing more than 2 right now, right? But yo, you breathe, and that should be $400. Like, goddamn.
Yeah. It speeds up the process. You know what I'm saying? Of making money, but also speeds up losing money. So that's why you gotta play the numbers game.
You gotta be careful. I learned that from Duane. So it's the times where, okay, look, you see this last trade. Yeah, I'm comfortable because I'm like, nah, I just did 4 contracts, and then Once it did
Hey,
that move,
Dwayne,
it did.
when you have a growth account, right?
Yeah.
You still gotta meet the 3,000, right?
Yeah.
Yo, cause now for nothing, 2 contracts, that 3,000 ain't shit to make.
Yeah. Yo,
I mean, it's
this
a minute, but
this steak I had the other night, I can still like taste it. My mouth still waters from it.
And then what was the deal, like, because, you know, all these, the algorithm, like, showed me a picture of, like, some acrobat woman spinning. Was that the same place?
Yeah, I got you. I got the whole video I can show you actually.
but Dwayne tried it. She was like, she's like, you got to grow a little bit more here
And that's what's crazy is they were literally swinging
on the hair, right?
from the hair. I'll show you this whole thing here because we're just vibing up. We're having fun. Appreciate everyone tuning in. For the people on YouTube, let me put this back on the screen here.
Hey, Dwayne, where was that at? What's
This is the eye in the restaurant. I turned off the music because it's pretty loud on it. So.
Oh, this is the Middle Eastern spot.
Yeah, love it.
Right next to
Like King's Bowling all over there. Yeah.
Oh, you know what's crazy? I know the owner, but when he first opened it, I went to it. Brand new, right?
Yeah.
He didn't have those blue couches.
Okay.
When you come in, there's a section on the left that's huge.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, and then I think you're sitting by the bar, right? If I'm not
No,
mistaken.
no. So when you walk in, this to the left is this section that's on the
so
camera.
They changed the seats.
Yeah, they changed everything. It's like
That's
really cool.
Nice.
But yeah,
That's nice.
so literally eating my tomahawk, my 42-ounce tomahawk, while watching people swing from the hair. Like, what can I say? It works. It works.
Well, maybe one day you'll grow your hair back and do the same thing.
Absolutely not. Like, I was surprised. I'm like, the fact that she's swinging from her hair is crazy.
I don't know. It feels. I don't like the thought of like having. I'd have to see Moose about getting conditioner before I tried that. Hey Moose, man. You know, what's your expertise about fortifying my hair? Because I got it hang from it. It's like
You got it. Listen, I got this glue. Crazy.
Hey, Steve, he's not lying. He's telling the truth.
Hey, have you seen the glue that Tesla uses?
No. What they use?
Yo, no bullshit. I didn't know Tesla glued their cars.
Yeah, it's mad powerful. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes.
That glue is strong as heck.
It's a blue glue, right? And so this one dude I saw on YouTube, he hoisted the Tesla truck using a link, and the link was glued, and it picked up the Tesla truck. That's how strong the thing is.
Wow.
Yes. So what I'm trying to say is that's the glue I'm gonna get. We want to
Okay,
do that.
maybe I was just kidding. So, because that seems like it'd take a long time to wash out of my hair.
All right, we're coming up on the 11 o'clock hour. Here.
Okay, let's do it.
30 more 30 more seconds for 11 o'clock here. We'll see what the market does. And I'll probably jump off here, to be honest with you, gentlemen. It's been a pleasure today, like always.
Are you going to try to be back by 12:35? Come on, Powell.
I am not.
Wait, Dwayne. This is
Nope.
talking. Powell. Tariff. Powell.
Not happening. I'm not going to be on the charts at 12:35. For me personally, I've already made my money for the day, and I don't want to end up risking it trading at 12:35, a time where I'm normally not on the charts. Like,
So you'll be trading without us, and you're just going to pretend like you didn't do it.
no.
Powell.
I jumped on another eval, so I'm trying to make something on that one.
On my Tradeify accounts today, I made 1024. That's after the fees on that account.
I was just kidding. I was just giving you the voice of reason.
I know what you're trying to do, Steve. You're like one of those people that my mom always warned me about. Don't let people influence you, son. Don't let them influence you to do something that you shouldn't do. You know, so I'm gonna listen to my mother on this one and not allow you to influence me.
Yeah, you're bringing Carolyn Broom into this. Oh my goodness, I can hear her voice. And I can hear your father's voice too, like a gentle rebuke. You know, just like. My goodness.
That candle? Let's see what that next candle do. Probably may form a bull flag.
On that 5 minute, that's looking like a big old bull flag right there. On the 5 minute.
I already know.
Right there, there's your flag. Pull comes up, pushes down like so for the fabric portion. Should go straight to the moon. We have not touched that 751 yet. That 751 should be your targets. For the people on YouTube, welcome to the stream. We're just hanging out. We're done trading, getting ready to get off here. Make sure you tune in at 9:20 a.m. Monday through Friday. Not this Friday. I'll be in Mexico, sipping Mai Tais in respect to my grandfather. Sipping Mai Tais in Mexico, and keep it moving. Only made just under $1,500 a day in my funded accounts. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Trust me, it works. It works. Probably going to give it till 11:05, and then I'm getting off of here, gentlemen. What I can do, if you guys want to stay on the stream for you guys in the community, I'll leave it open. I'll just make one of you guys the host, so it can stay active for you guys, and you guys can keep trading till 12:35 or come back. Just leave your computers open.
Come back, because I'm gonna go out. I made my green and I made the scene.
Okay.
You know
Well, what you guys can do, I'll end the meeting, but you guys can just go in and join it like you do every day. So before I jump on.
And then maybe you'll pop up live from Saks Fifth Avenue.
Moose, you out?
Yeah, I'm out of here. It's 11. My finger's gonna get itchy, and I don't want that.
Yeah, we don't like itchy fingers. Trust me.
Yeah.
I understand that one.
All right, guys. Thank you.
All right, man. Have a good day.
Tomorrow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday and happy belated to Chi.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Creeping up here. We're still creeping. Gotta love the creep. That 751 is calling. For last night's session, this price went all the way to 25,044. So, tons of potential to keep pushing up here. Just gotta get through that 751. Next target, I would say, would be 803. That's a pivot point to the upside here. Market's still pushing. There's that 751 level that we were talking about finally.
He said that, and that's exactly what he did. Like, yeah.
So let's see. Since we pushed to that 751, I expect a slight pullback down to that 751. So that could act as the new support zone to keep this bad boy pushing up. But with that, gentlemen, here comes the pullback down to that 751. And then we'll see if we use that 751 as support. The Nasdaq is a creature of habit. It does the same thing. When it breaks out of the 15-minute range, when we hit these targets I call it does the same exact thing. There's the 751. Once again, like I said, we're going to come back down and tap. Let's see if we use this area now as support to keep this price going up, to build out like a bull flag here. All right, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. See you guys in the morning tomorrow. I will end the meeting since you guys were going to be coming back at the 12:35. You guys just jump on.
Maybe it'll just show up and be a blessing to us all. Have you ever thought of that?
If I'm home, possibly I gotta go shopping a little bit more for Mexico. Going to Mexico this week, so I gotta get a couple more things. I got me a big old dry bag since we're going to be in the water 90% of the time. So
you get a dry bag. Get those covers for your cell phone. So
yeah.
Like,
so we're prepared. We're ready. We ready to spend some pesos. And
well,
all right, gentlemen. If I'm home, I'll jump on at the 12:35 with you guys. If not, you guys just jump on the stream together, and you guys are good to go. And
all right, beautiful.
All right, guys. I will see you guys possibly at 12:35. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I expect to see you, but I hope to anyway.
All right, guys.
I will, baby. No, I'm just kidding.
All right. Have a good one.
Later.
Bye.
Adios, Duane.
All right, guys.
All right, G, David.
Yep. All right.
For everyone that's been on the YouTube stream, I appreciate you guys tuning in, vibing up with us today. We'll be back tomorrow, bright and early, 9:20 a.m. We're there Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. This Friday, though, I will not be on the stream. I will be in Mexico sipping Mai Tais on the beach. So with that being said, stay blessed, stay safe, and remember my saying, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Be blessed, everyone. See you tomorrow.